So, you want to start teaching English online, but you don't know where to start, what you need, or where to apply. Well, stay tuned, and it might just be simpler than you think. Hi, I'm SImmy. Welcome to my channel, Class in the Cloud. On this channel, you will find tips and suggestions to help you get started and make a success on your online teaching journey as well as your online learning journey. In this series, we are talking about teaching English online and specifically how to get started. Now, this is video 6 of a 10-part series. If you have not watched the previous videos, make sure to watch them after this one, link below, and don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. In this video, I'm going to talk about probably the most important aspect of starting your online teaching career, your resume and your introduction video. Now, it is important to realize that the online English teaching institutions in China are inundated with thousands of resumes every single day. So, it is up to you to make your resume and your introduction video stand out above the rest. Today, I'm going to share some tips and suggestions on how I set up my CV and did my introduction video. This is part 2 of video 6. In this video, I'm going to talk about your introduction video. The online English teaching institutions do require you to send an introduction video. Today, I'm going to share with you how to create a good self-introduction video for teaching English online. So I'm going to take you step for step how to do this introduction video. First and foremost, have an outline of what you want to say. Then, practice what you're going to say in the mirror a few times. Dress professionally as you would for a business interview, and ladies, also add a bit of makeup. Next, you want to find a quiet location that has a clear background and good lighting. Lighting is utmost important. You don't want to come across as a goth, you don't want to come across as an angel, and you don't want your screen to be grainy because there is not enough light. So, what I would suggest is that you have a light from the front or you face an open window during the daytime, and that should give you ample light for your video. You also want to make sure that your video is stable. So a selfie video is going to move. Make sure that your recording device is on a tripod or on a stable stand. Also make sure that you are recording horizontally and not vertically. You can use a smartphone, digital camera, or an SLR. Make sure that your video setting is on HD and that your resolution is at least 480p for a nice clear picture. Make sure that when you're seated that your camera is at eye level. Nobody wants to look up at you. Record your video in one take. Speak slowly and clearly. Keep it sweet and to the point. Remember, less is more. Introduce yourself by your first and last name. You may also include your age, as well as your marital status and if you have children or not. Number 2, mention where you're from and maybe something interesting about where you live. Number 3, talk about your qualification. Include your degree, your teaching qualification, and your TOEFL. You may also include the institutions where you completed those. Following that, you talk about your teaching experience. Whether you have tutored one-on-one, taught in a school classroom, mention the grades that you taught, or whether you've done sports coaching, any teaching experience should be mentioned in this section. Lastly, you want to mention why you want to teach English online and why the children or students should book you as their online English teacher. Keep your outro sweet and short, and you can even end with your favorite quote if you wish. Once you've recorded your video, watch it through once and decide whether you need to re-record or whether you're happy with that. If you wish, you can then put it into a video editor, add some photos, elements, take out mistakes, and so forth. Once you've finished editing, create your video as an MP4. Send it to some family and friends before you send it to potential employers. In a nutshell, so there are a few things you have to remember. Number 1, be yourself and be natural. Number 2, make sure you have good lighting, a quiet space with a clear background. Number 3, dress professionally. Number 4, include the 4 W's as mentioned in my previous videos when I spoke about resumes. You want to include who you are, where you're from, the 2 whats, what your qualifications are and what your teaching experience is, and W, why you want to teach English online. If you add all those aspects, your video should be beautifully rounded. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe, leave a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. I am SImmy, this is Class in the Cloud, thanks for watching.